Hey everybody, it is a cloudy afternoon in New Jersey, but I got some happy mail from Crafts Americana Group, aka wecrochet and Knitpicks. Let's open it up and see what awesomeness they have sent. I just love their yarn display on their cards. I mean, that's the only reason I'm showing you this card. We all know I'm part of the Knitpicks family, obviously. Which I love being part of the Knitpicks family. And as I thought this is their new High Desert. Look at that sheen. High Desert, which is a completely American yarn. It's grown and spun in the USA. And this is the color Forge. They're very generous with their yardage. There's 217 yards per skein of this. And then this is the color Wildfire. I got a little country sounding there. I think Wildfire. Oh yeah. Oh man. This is what happens when I do an unboxing video, like out of nowhere. But yes, I chose these two colors to test out because I was thinking I want to do maybe something fiery, yeah. Let's open one of these up and let me give you the field test. How about that? I love saying that on the back. 100% USA grown Shiniko wool, and it is very nice, very squishy, very soft, yet not too soft. You get what I'm saying? Like, has a silkiness to it, but you could definitely use it for any kind of project you have, unless you need it to be like cotton or something. And there you go, High Desert.